Hello everyone. Hope so you all will be doing good. Today we are going to talk about the 5 beauty packs for skin. As the skin is a matter for all, so everyone is in search for a natural thing that are useful to have a lighten, healthier and a soft skin. So generally artificial packs, you may say artificial cream that are available, which are manufactured by different companies, are packed in some packaging. So here we will discuss about some natural packs. So here we have all these. So 5 beauty packs. Number 1, that is for oily skin. That for what that for oily skin, what will be the best product to use? And for dry skin, so for dry skin we will have a specific product or a specific method to have a beauty of our face skin, to lighten our skin and to reduce acne, and the last one, that is to remove accumulation of dead skin. So before going to discuss about the beauty tips or beauty packs, we should know about Besan, that what is really a Besan is. So we have our first point, that is Besan. A gram flour has an antimicrobial property. What does it mean? That it means that some microbial particles that are present on our skin, these can be removed if we apply Besan on our skin. Usually we apply Besan on our face and neck to have a clean skin. The next step is that it is known to remove dirt and toxins from a deep within the skin. What does it mean? That usually our face and neck, these are exposed to external environment which contain a million and trillion dust and toxins that stick to our skin. So these can be removed by Besan if we apply it on our skin. These are mostly used by Indians, and here is the reason that why Indians use Besan mostly. That is, perhaps it is used on average soon to be Indian bride. Oh, bride. Maybe your mouth become watery. So to give her a beauty boost and make her skin glow. But how? This will be discussed later on her wedding day. So to give her a beauty boost, we use Besan, and a glowing skin we use also Besan. This will be discussed, that why Besan is used on her wedding day. So everyone want to have a best look on wedding day. And the best part of about Besan is it works for all type of skin. If you have any complexity with the skins, mean that you have a different kind of skin, so you can use Besan too, mean that it is applicable for all type of skin, and that's what make it in ideal cleanser. So we have our number 1 point, that is for oily skin. That for oily skin, what we usually use. So as Besan is a great cleanser for oily skin, that I have discussed about, and it helps to absorb the excess oil from the skin and remove impurities. And a man or female with an oily face, when get up early in the morning, they feel that they have their oily face, so they must use some face wash, or you may say some soap, to have a skin dry. So, and some other person like Indian, or you may say any other, they use Besan while to remove this oil from their skin and also to remove impurities. And you can use in combination of rose water and besan to nourish your skin and restore its balance. Restore its balance means that you want to reduce its darkening and light and have a lightening face. So you may in a balance mean that have a good look, simply. Rose water will be discussed later on, and besan as you know. So for oily skin we must have ingredients. That what are the ingredients to have a smooth paste, or you may say a pack to use on. So these are 2 tablespoons of besan gram flour, or 4 tablespoons of rose water. What is rose water? You will see right now that what is rose water. Rose water is prepared by steeping rose petals in water. Sometimes a byproduct of the process of extracting rose oil is also used in place of rose water. That's a simple definition, or you may say a short explanation about rose water. That was, a bit helpful. And now we will discuss about the method. That what is the method to have this pack. So you will have to mix besan and rose water until you obtain a smooth paste, and then you have to apply it on your face and neck and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes until it dries. This was simple and you understand well. What next you have to do, that wash with cold water in circular motion and pat your skin dry. That's simple, really. And here is a note that we should note it, that if you have a normal to oily skin, you can apply the besan and curd pack every day. Mean that you can use the same method for every day if you have an oily skin in normal way. This was about the for oily skin. Now we are going to discuss about for dry skin. That for dry skin what we will use. For dry skin, some besan is used, as besan is an extremely neutral ingredient and that is great for cleansing skin. And if you have a flaky skin or dry skin, or flaky, you may say in a simple word that a skin or a face that is disliked by everyone, not reliable. So you can mix it with malai, mean that you can mix besan with malai. In a Hindi or Urdu you may say malai, fresh cream. In English we can say milk, honey and turmeric to moisturize and nourish your skin. The quantity will be given just below right now, so don't worry that how much quantity should be added. So ingredients, let's have a look. There are 5 ingredients that should be taken with a specific quantity. That 2 tablespoons of besan, 1 tablespoon of malai or fresh cream, 1 teaspoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of honey and a pinch of turmeric. This is all small ingredients that we should have in some specific kind of thing to have a mixture or to have a paste. So a specialty of honey and turmeric is discussed, that honey cleanses your skin and turmeric's work as an antiseptic and that maintain the pH level of your skin. All these ingredients put together will heal your dry skin naturally, meaning that you can have a naturally glowing skin. Multani mitti, it is also known for its healing properties against acne and blemishes. And what is the method? That one should must know. Mix all the ingredients until you get a smooth paste. Simple. Apply evenly all over the face by gently massaging it into your skin. leave it for about 5 minutes, then wash it off with a cool water. Right? Simple. You That's a simple method. Mix all ingredients. You have to mix all these quantity, and then you have to apply it on your skin and leave it for 5 minutes and wash with cool water. Simple. Then pat your skin dry for best result. Repeat the cleaning regime once. Number 3, to have a lighten skin. To lighten your skin mean that to have a whiter skin, what we should do? You can use besan along with lemon and tomato to lighten your skin tone, as they have a bleaching property. Some people, or we may say mostly girls, use bleaching properties, or we may say bleaching product, to have a glowing skin. So these are usually not helpful as much. We use natural remedy to have a lightened skin. So we must use uh, besan along with lemon and tomato. What are the ingredients? Simple. 1 tomato ripened, and 1 tablespoon of besan, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. That's a small requirement that is present in every house, or you may say in every home. So method must required. Take a pulp out of the tomato and mix with besan and lemon juice. Simple. Apply it on your face and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Oh, you have to be busy for 20 to 30 minutes to have a glowing, or to have a whiter skin. Rinse off with cold water. Simple. We have a next, that is number 4, to reduce acne. Oh, you know that most of the people have acne on their face in their adult stage, so they have to reduce their acne too, or to have a natural looking face. So we should do we should team besan with turmeric, a natural healer. Turmeric, a natural healer that contains antibacterial properties, and a next product, or you may say a next natural product, sandalwood, which is known to dry our pimples and promote flawless skin. Sandalwood will be discussed later on in this slide. So what are the ingredients? These are 2 teaspoon of gram flour and 2 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is discussed here. That sandalwood is in Ayurveda is an excellent beauty ingredient that is natural, reliable, and effective. It is usually available as a brown bag looking like smooth powder, which is derived from the fragrant wood of the genus Santalum tree. That's the best part of it. And 1 teaspoon of milk and a pinch of turmeric powder once again. These are the simple ingredients that we should have. There's an extra power, or you may say an extra power product we should have in our home to have a acne free face. Method is necessary for all. Let's see. Mix all ingredients and create a smooth paste. You may know better that what does it mean. And apply evenly all over the face and wash off with lukewarm water. After it dries, pat your skin dry. Lukewarm water is like warm water that is not much warmer, as it may burn your face. We should have a note again. Gram flour has certain properties that treat acne and has been used for this purpose in India for centuries. For one, the zinc in besan, trusting information. Besan also have zinc, has been shown to fight the infection that causes your face to erupt with acne. Secondly, it also helps control excess sebum production and soothes inflamed skin. Sebum that is related to the sebaceous gland. You may know the physiology. So this is about the cream floor to treat acne, a natural herb or natural product. So we have our last thing, that what we should do to remove accumulation of dead skin. Dead skin, you know, provide you a darkened skin. So it is a 5-minute recipe that will heal your skin and give you that glow that you have always wanted. Oh, most of us want a glowing and whitened face, so we must remove the dead skin. So what are the ingredients? These are 3 tablespoons of gram flour and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. That is an extra thing. And 2 tablespoons of lemon peel powder. Lemon peel powder is something like a different for you, so you must have in your home to have natural remedy. And the juice of a half lemon. Half of the lemon will be taken and will be put into this mixture. And milk to make a smooth paste. Milk is added to have a low viscosity, you may say, to have a smooth paste that you may apply it on your face gently. Method is simple. You may say that mix all the ingredients together and apply on the skin. Leave it on till it dries and then wash off with tepid water. So this was a simple method, and apply all these method, and ingredients should be taken carefully as the quantity is given, so this will have a glowing skin. Well, I should say thank you for watching my video, and I will say that keep subscribing. See you in the next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.